Alright guys, we are a little bit inundated with requests. We picked up about 3 over here. This is one that we do. Look at this right here. I don't know if you can see it. We just picked this up. Somebody actually did this to this yard. Yep, you can see it. So, yeah, we just finished that one and we're about to hit the one right over there. So let me get back to you, man. I don't know if I can make a video today. It's late and I'm tired. See you in a few. Well, gents, this is reality, man. Nice, beautiful day. We got this one and this one. And I'm about to put down some high potassium. This one needs a lot of potassium. So we did a soil test. Remember guys, you always have to do a soil test. Just don't start putting down fertilizer. That's not the way to do it. All right. Hey, other than that, let me see real quick. Everything is going right. Yeah, ain't nothing going on too much today, guys. We did, how much did we do today? I know some of y'all like to know how many, but these were a little bit bigger. Here's my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So, yeah, we're done for the day, man. All right, gents. Nothing going on too much today. Just wanted to say what's up. Hope everybody's prosperous out there. Put out your flyers, guys. Put out your marketing. You know, that's the only way people gonna know who you are, right? All right, guys, let me get to work, man. So today was a little bit overwhelming. Oh, we don't service that property. Today was a little bit overwhelming, and let me tell you why. It's because, like I told you before, a lot of properties, they stop service in December because the grass doesn't grow. Centipede kind of goes dormant, but it stretches out and it goes over the sidewalk. So you'll get a low patchy lawn that is starting to come back to life, but the growth on the sidewalk is extreme. So as everybody know, man, the first service is the toughest. And why is it the toughest? Because things grow, you haven't been there in a while, and you just got to get it back to what it used to look like, right? He's cleaning out the the trailer. So, cutting these out and blowing the grass back into the turf and kind of, oh, he's blowing himself off. I'm like, man, it's the end of the day. He over there playing with the doggone blower. I thought he was messing with me. Yeah, so that is a little bit more work because you have to cut it out. Then you have to get the blower and blow the grass back inside the grass and then mulch it and mulch it and mulch it. And some of you might say, yeah, you can just pick it up and put it in the bag. That's extreme, too much work. That's not what you do. Just mulch it up and put it back into the turf. And the properties look real good. Let me show you an example real quick of one of them. It doesn't look bad now, but that that was grown all the way to there. And it wasn't tall, it was just all the way back. You're crazy, man. So, yeah. So that's why it was a little bit overwhelming, man. It was just a little bit of work. I love just coming into the properties and hitting them up and leaving. But when we got to do all that additional work, man. Hey. You got to do what we got to do, right?
Right.
You got a key? Yeah. Yeah. You drove it. You drove it. Over here, right?
Yeah, I drove it.
Okay.
I was finna keep it going.
Keep it going where?
If you asked me as I drove over here.
Oh.
So I was finna keep it going like, no, man. You drove over here. What you do with the keys? Oh, man, it's time to go home and you want to play.
Hey, they said we have a good chemistry, man. How long have we known each other? Since you were a little youth. No. I mean, I knew you, but I didn't know you.
Yeah.
We used to go to your grandmother's house.
Yeah. I think the first time I spoke to you, I was like 9.
Yeah, you were like 9, right?
Yeah, I was like 9. And I'm finna be 20 Friday.
I know.
It's a
Hey,
long time.
Friday, he's going to be 20. And I known him since he was 9 years old. Huh? Coming over to more. Yeah, you was more your grandmother-in-law, right?
Yep.
Yup. And I was like, yo, what's up, man? One of these days, man, you come over, you come work for me. He was like, really? I said, yeah, man. All right, gents and ladies, today was pretty eventful.
Yeah.
You know.
But we did the thing, man. We weren't supposed to really get off to about 5.
Yeah.
We weren't supposed to get off to like 5.
Yeah. After lunch, man, we really popped smoke, man. We got hot. He was like, yo, after lunch, we need to get it.
And we did just that.
Yeah, we did it. All right, guys, tomorrow we'll get some footage. Today, hey. All right, gents and ladies, have a great one.
Peace.
Pop smoke. Peace.